Hello student, today we are going to cover next topic, fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Now let us see what is fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Every composite number can be expressed or factorized as a product of primes, and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factors occur. Now here two main word. First, what is composite number, and second one is primes. I know you know what is composite and prime numbers, but we recall little bit. First, prime number. The number which is divisible by itself is known as prime number, and it is greater than 1. Otherwise, we can say that a number is divisible by 1 and itself is known as prime number. For example, 2. 2 is divisible by 1 and 2. No other number can divide 2. So, 2 is a prime number. Now, 3. 3 is divisible by 1. 3 is divisible by 3. No other number can divide 3, so 3 is a prime number. Now 4. 4 is divisible by 1, 4 is also divisible by 4, but 4 is divisible by 2 also. 2 to the 4, that means 4 is divisible by 2. So 4 is not a prime number. So if it is not a prime number, so what is 4? When a number having more than 2 factors, then it is known as composite number. So 4 is a composite number. Now what about 5? 5 is also having only 2 factors, which is 1 and 5 itself. So 5 is also a prime number. Now 6 having a factor 1 and 6, but 2 and 3 is also a factor of 6. 2 divides 6, 3 also divides 6. So 6 is our composite number. That means a number having only 2 factors is known as prime factor, and the number having more than 2 factors is known as composite number. Now back to the theorem. In a theorem, every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes. That means we can write every composite number in the form of prime number, and that type of formation and that type of representation is unique. That type of representation is unique because whenever we change the order, it doesn't mean. Okay. For example, 6 is our composite number. We can write it in the form of 2 into 3. 2 is prime number, 3 is prime number. So 6 is composite number. So we can say that a composite number can be written as a product of prime numbers. A composite number can be written as a product of prime numbers, and that representation is unique. If someone is writing like that, changing of the order of the number is also same representation. If number is different, then the representation is different, but number is always same for all, so that type of representation is always unique. Now let us take a question. Express (140) in the product of prime numbers. All of you know how to factorize it. unit place is 0, so the number is divisible by 2. Now 2 7s are 14 and 0. Again unit digit is even number, so 2. 70 divisible by 2, then it will give 35. Now it is not divisible by 2, it is also not divisible by 3. You know the rule of divisibility of 2, 3, 5. I know you know. Now it is divisible by 5. 7. 7 is our prime number, so 7 is divisible by 7 only. So the representation of 140 is in the form of 2 into 2 into 5 into 7, and that is our prime factorization of 140.